So welcome back guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $300 on CPAGRIP. I'm going to show you the exact strategy which this person actually did to earn this particular amount right now on CPAGRIP with CPA marketing. So walk with me as we dive right into this in a step-by-step manner. So firstly guys, you want to first go on to selecting a niche. And in selecting a niche, you need to select something that a lot of people are quite passionate about. Now a lot of niches are out there that you can easily select from. You can select niches like TV shows, movies, wrestling, sports, and music niches. Those are niches that a lot of people are quite passionate about. So once you want to select a niche, maybe I'm just going to focus on a movie niche right now. And if I want to focus on a specific movie, maybe a movie like Percy Jackson, I'm just going to go on to this particular platform called Google. And if I do search for Percy Jackson book for sale on Craigslist right now, you may want to just simply search for this exact same search term, which is Percy Jackson book for sale Craigslist. Now the reason why I'm actually focusing on this book for sales is because I will be able to see a lot of books that I can just simply purchase right now on this particular movie, which is Percy Jackson, and the movie also has a book. Now on Craigslist right here is a platform that you can actually get ebooks at the tips of your hands right now. That's why I'm utilizing Craigslist right here. So once you actually search for this, you're going to see a lot of options which you could come onto the image section. Now if I do want to focus on this one right now, I'm just going to select that right here. Maybe if I do go on to checking this out, you can see the books right here. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually get a clear picture of maybe a particular image right now. That image was not quite clear. This actually looks quite clearer. And guys, what I'm going to do right here is to download the image. Right click on the image, save the image on my device. And if I do save the image on my device right now, you want to just simply go onto platforms like Facebook. Now if you go onto Facebook and you want to search for that exact same movie title, which is the Percy Jackson, if you search for that right here, you can see a lot of groups that are actually in that exact same niche. Now a lot of groups right here, and you can take notes that most of the groups are getting engagement. You can see that some are actually getting posts per day, about 3 posts per day. Those are actually telling you that those groups are getting engagement right now. And you could also note the number of members in a specific group. That shows you or gives you an idea that you can earn more from specific groups when compared to others. So you can just simply join as many groups as you can on this same niche. If I do join a group, I'm gonna just simply open this specific group right now. Okay, now guys, take a look at this group right here, which is Percy Jackson and the Olympian series, and that is actually fun for fans update. Once you're on this group, you can see that everybody is actually interested on this niche, which is this Percy Jackson books right now. You just need to come onto this section that says write something, and you could easily write out a post. For the post guys, you can write out something like this that says, has anyone read Percy Jackson books? I got them for free online, and I am unsure if anyone else in this group has seen these books. And what you want to do next is to upload that video alongside this post, or that particular image you downloaded alongside this post. And I can see the image, you can see the image right here. Once you do this guys and go on to clicking on post, about 99 or 98% of the time this post will actually go live on the platform right there, because you are not promoting any form of link on that particular group. The admin is actually going to go on to letting that post go live. As you can see, my post is actually pending. The admin actually needs to approve it first before that will actually go live. And like I said, 99% of the time that post will actually go live because you are not promoting any link on that post. So what you want to do next guys is that you want to first of all then head back to this platform right here called twitter.com. Now if you come onto Twitter, you want to create an account that is quite similar to that particular niche you are focusing on. Maybe you can actually create an account for something like an account name book deals or book offers or something related to that you're giving out books for free, and you want to just simply draft out a cool post. Maybe you want to just simply come right here to the post section, click on post, and you could easily type in something like this that says, book lovers, get your Percy Jackson books for free for the next week, go here, and in this section that says locker, that is where you're going to insert a link that is also going to enable you earn money with CPA marketing. And you could also add these cool hashtags. Now, to gain access to that locker right now, you just need to go onto a CPA marketing platform that you want to utilize. And for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to be sticking with this platform called CPAGRIP. If you come onto CPAGRIP, you can create an account, click on register, log into your account after you're done registering for that, and go on to getting a locker. So guys, as you do see right now, I'm logged into my CPAGRIP account, and you want to come to this page right here. To get to this page, click on this monetization tool option, select the URL file locker right now, click on create a new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you'll be brought to a page where you can edit your locker content. Now for this locker content, I'm just going to name this to something like Percy Jackson for the locker name. So once I've named that Percy Jackson right now, I'm going to go into the template and actually edit that, or select the maybe I could select the file download locker, or I could just simply select the human verification locker right here. If I do select the human verification locker, I'm going to head back to general, and in this general section, I'm going to edit this text that says complete survey below to prove you are human or not an automated robot. So I'm going to edit it to something like this, which says complete any two offer below to get Percy Jackson ebooks for free for the first 10 people. And you can add in something like hurry right now. If you do put in something like this, guys, you can then just simply come on to this section that says show offers. You can increase the number of offers, so maybe let me say 4. For the locked URL right now, you need to actually add a link for that particular ebook that they can actually gain access to. So I'm just going to head back to this section right here, and maybe if I do open this ebook right now, which is the Percy Jackson ebook, I can get the link to that particular page. Now if you take a look at this, guys, the page has been successfully opened. What I'm going to do next is actually copy the link to this page right now. I can just simply come right here, copy the link to this page, head back to my CPAGRIP platform, and I'm going to paste that link in this locked URL section. Once that link has been pasted, and you can see right now, I could just simply maybe go onto this advanced section to increase the number of leads right here to 2, because I actually did tell them in this section that they have to complete 2 offers below before they can gain access to the locked content right now. Now once this is done, I'm going to click on save, and my URL file locker will be generated. Once the file locker has been generated, I can click on get link right now to get the link to this locker. Maybe I could customize this to my preference right here. I can just simply add in something related to Percy Jackson so that can actually show in the domain right now. So if I do select this, maybe Percy Jackson books, and click on change, this is actually available. I can then simply click on copy link, go onto that particular Twitter tweet, and actually paste that link in this section that says locker. Now I'm just going to paste that in right here. Once that has been pasted, I can then go on to uploading that or posting this on this platform. Now once this has actually been posted, what you need to do next is just simply copy the link to this particular post and go back to that Facebook post originally which you actually posted. Now in the comment section, as you can see, the post has not yet been approved, but once the post gets approved, in the comment section of that post, you want to then type in something like, oh, if anyone is wondering where I got those ebooks from, you can check the link right here. I'm pasting the link to that Twitter tweet right now, and if you do that, guys, for a lot of people that are interested are going to be clicking on that link, completing your offers, after which if they do complete your offers, you're going to get paid some cool affiliate commission. You earn money with CPA marketing right now, and you also, that is by driving traffic from Facebook right now, and you also drive traffic right now from Twitter right now, because a lot of people that are seeing that post on Twitter will be able to go onto, and are interested, will be able to complete that link of all those offer, and you also make money too with this strategy. So with this way, guys, you don't actually need to be spamming any group right here on Facebook. You just need to go on to joining those groups right now. Once you do join those groups, you can then just simply post once right there on those groups to gather attentions right now and get a lot of cool traffic to your offers right here. So I do hope this strategy was helpful to you. If you're looking for other strategies that could help you out right now, you may want to check out my channel right here, OJ Marketing, because I regularly create videos that could help you boost your income online, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.